Hello friends, I welcome you all to the video tutorial of Magento to service fees. This service fees module allows the store owner to add extra fees on a particular order. This extra fees can be added on the basis of fixed price or on the basis of percentage. This fees is an add-on to the service which is rendered along with the product. For example, if we happen to go to a jewelry shop, therein we are not only charged for the particular gold product, but also the making charges is added, the packaging charges is added, and more. All these charges can be listed in the extra fees section. These extra fees can be viewed at the time of checkout, in the order page, in the invoice, and in the print PDF of the invoice. Moreover, we must understand that this will not be a part of the credited amount in case of a credit memo generation. Now let's ahead to how the admin could configure this module for the customer to view it on front end. Now let's go to the dashboard section. Therein we can go to the stores, and there is configuration. Now here, as we could see, there is a service fee module already added. Then we can just enable it, enable service fee. I'll select it yes, save the configuration. And this Webkul service fee is available over here. Now on clicking on create service fees, we could see that there are multiple service fees already created. Now if I want to add a new, I'll click over here. Now here I could write the service name or special code related to it. If I am writing it some making fee, I'm pending this. I want it to be fixed, and it should be of 10. I'll save it. Now my service fee is visible over here as the name of making fee. Now let's go in the front end. Now in the front end, as we could see, my cart is already having a product, and I have checked out, and all these fees which are present at the back end could be seen over here. Lastly, I have added the making fee, it's also added over here. Now I'll click on check place order. Finally, my order is placed. I'll click on print receipt. Now, as we could see, that it's also here in the print invoice. As a customer, I'll save it. Now going back to the admin panel, as an admin, Finally, in this order section, I could see service fees which are added. Apart from this, I have generated the invoice, and in the invoice section it's also there. I'll just submit the invoice. Finally, the invoice is created. Now, what happens if I'll create a credit memo of this? Now, as we could see, the grand total is 39 USD. This means that the extra fees is not refunded. So that's all for the module. For further information, you can write us on support@webkul.com and share your queries, and we will love to respond to them. Thank you.